Most people think that rest day mean doing nothing. For the calisthenics athletes like me, that's not true. So let me show you my typical rest day.
Yep, we're still eating healthy because it's not a cheat day, it's just a rest day. Egg whites 3 yolks with the tofu, oatmeal with the cocoa powder and chocolate coffee mousse cake protein powder. That's a long title. I also have some protein bar. I really crave a protein bar right now, and I also just found it on my shelf, so I was like definitely need to eat less rice and spaghetti with grass-fed beef, especially if you eat both rice and spaghetti at the same day, plus you have a huge high protein carby breakfast. My face, as you can see, is getting puffy, so I need to eat less carbs and more fruits. Decent breakfast, I would say. A lot of volume, like a lot of good stuff actually. Oh no, 9:56 in the morning. You see, I started to check what time is it before I drink my black coffee, because I hear more and more that after 10-11 a.m. it's not good for you to drink coffee, especially if you go to sleep 9-10 p.m. I would say it's a pretty healthy rest day morning. Let's freaking kill it all.
Laundry, yeah, boy.
Laundry done.
Well, I don't think people will be super angry. I'm not smoking crack in here, so... Nice. Ooh, that's cold a little bit. It's like minus something today, -3. I don't even know. So you can see I have day stains. But I don't do no handstand training, nope. After yesterday's workout with the weighted vest, nah. I did everything yesterday for shoulders, chest, back, legs, everything. But as I feel my challenge, everyday challenge, taking a bite, handstand, this, and then rest for my shoulders, because I do this every single day. This is how you do your rest day. Take a walk. I took a walk to this beautiful spot, and it's like 3 kilometers. And 3 kilometers only one way. Then later I'm gonna go back home. It's gonna be another 3 kilometers. And this is, by the way, 7,500 steps. Plus I did some steps in the morning, and I have in my head to do more steps in the evening. I guess it's a level up a little bit because this dog is shaky. Whoa, shit! That was dangerous. So what else I can do on my rest day? It's a stretches. Yes, stretches, my friend. You don't need to be able to do splits. You can do any stretches. You can even do like a 20-minute or half an hour stretches for your whole body. I'm pretty sure that stretches do speed up recovery for your muscles, so the next day when it is your main training, main workout, whether you go to gym or do calisthenics, it's a complete mind-blowing reset for your muscles, for your whole body, for your immune system. Plus you calm your mind when you do stretches, dude. You're breathing because you need to relax. And also book I have more time to read my book. If not now, when it's a rest day. When?
Oh yeah.
Started to freeze in my butt. I need to get out of here. And also I got so hungry, dude. You see, they don't look perfect. That probably means they are better than the other apples that look very shiny and suspicious.
Bam! Like this, we're in the house. Did some groceries. Hey dude, I bought some jam, peach and pineapple, which is pure jam. And I found it on the International Alley in a supermarket. Like no additional sugar, just fruit. Well, I guess it's Canadian. I bought some smoked salmon. Few pieces, freaking $5. I also bought this one. If you like salmon slices like me, bro, high five. Ginger and mixed berries so we can make a proper tea and drink it after our cold plunge. I'm telling you, this tea is for superheroes. 100% sure Captain America. Drink it every day. And later I can do reading still. Still got the time. What are you looking at? Alrighty. We got potatoes. No, we gotta finish spaghetti with the grass-fed ground beef. That's why I bought salmon, because we don't have a lot of meat here.
There was too much of a spaghetti at home. And I see a playground and I know what to do. Wait a sec, I actually brought a light with me. Oh my goodness! It has magnets, so I can just... Now if I will do a few chin-ups, a few squats, I will help to digest all the spaghetti faster. And I decided to get this metabolic process going. While I sleep, I can burn more fat.
And that was my rest day as a calisthenics guy. And I honestly think it's way better than just to sit on a couch, eat donuts, play games all day without going outside, getting the sunlight, having a walk, doing some stretches, doing laundry. Believe me, I had those days where I was, I don't know, jerking off and eating sweets. I don't know, I felt like I was rotting. So if that's how your rest day look like, try this one. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it.